Hey, look at this. I'm gonna make a little lunch today. It's gonna be a kielbasa, smoked kielbasa sandwich. But I want some peppers. I got some red bell pepper, some jalapenos, I have some sweet onions. What I'm gonna do is make a foil pouch. They call this hobo cooking. I don't think the style, I don't think I get canceled. It's kind of what it is. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna take some desert gold, and then we're gonna take some of this Scott's garlic oil, which I really use a lot for things like this. Right there, and then I'm gonna make a pouch so that I can put it directly on the smoker. So this will go on the smoker about 10 or 15 minutes before I put the sausage on. Be right back. Onto the smoker. Probably about 20 minutes, maybe 30. Boar's head kielbasa. I'm gonna put it on the drum smoker, but I'm gonna put a little scoring so it'll kind of open it up and get some smoke inside on the meat. Put this on the smoker. It's gonna be really fun. Chicken legs there. Let me just lay the sausage in there. Be back in 20 minutes. Sausage rolls. We'll find out if they can handle our sausage. So we're gonna take this one out. I'm gonna open it up. Butter. I said a little butter. I lied. Here we go. Get the edges to turn right around and toast this baby up. Okay, put some mustard on, Clark Crew, my good buddy Travis. Then we're gonna come in here with this caramelized onion jack cheese. I'm not gonna put paper on it. One here. One here. We're gonna take our onions and our peppers, those jalapenos, red onions. Watch this, the showstopper right here. Doctor said I can only have one sausage sandwich a day, so here it is.